Into from teaching to acting, the men are who because she there for 5 years. Okay, audition and answer more than I'm afraid.
No, I think man audition. I think I joined what do you call it, a drama group. Those times in our era we had these drama theater groups which I joined, and so I was teaching and I was going for rehearsals every day and that and that. But I think one day I just woke up and I said to myself that me share teacher salary now. 30 days like a channel. Me to make even voice over and I said commercial it will be. It gets me like ×3, and voice over is just minutes of the day or 1 hour or 2 hours. Me to me about ×3 of my salary. So I thought, what was I doing? Because my talent is
95.1.
So why am I going to do something which is I'm going to struggle and always there be an outie? I felt like let me just turn to acting. So one day I just woke up and said, I'm done. Yeah, I just finished one, I think one calendar term or something, and I just said I'm done.
Oh, and
that's where I am now.
Next at the channel of me teachers for now because
oh, but I think those in the I'm thinking those in the private sectors are doing well.
Private to someone to Zori
private because school fees now because normal school now so private school now the school fees is like ×3 what you're paying. That means the teachers should be benefiting. Headmaster and I just
I've worked in a private school before and yes sanity. Salary so but teachers said deserve no.
Okay.
So what I say? Because I think so Nogia or the young school, the bus and the canteen in what do you think? She said, I'm going to chocolate cry the more crank. Chocolate cry the way trim. My kind of the evidence way. She said,
oh, I see. But it's a lovely job. I mean,
it is. Let's like a 20 mile would
yeah, and then I had my passion too also drove me away from it. I had a passion for acting. So why not spend time with it? And I did, and it paid off.
Next, so you won't regret the decision.
No. Anytime I'll do it again.
Then I'm out petition first, our day now.
In fact, come to think of it, I thought in Afenia, one of the benefits of of a teacher, Afenia no mudia tomatoes. So all you need to say when the tomatoes come, everybody wants to because Nkolanu nyina bebre na wo fu wo parents of and then Friday morning so go feel Saturday na so those who want to be nice or those who want to be have tomatoes back up one tomato. Somebody will bring like also tomatoes. I made it quiet. Also said my mother says I should bring because I can't even carry it from Afenia to my house in Accra or something. So sometimes you're like, these people, and then they love you, they like you. And those times too, I think I started doing Thursday theater. So after Thursday when I go to school on Friday, I am superhero. That kind of thing. Now me come few weekends so tomato means yeah. Until I'm so okay, put in the staff room now teachers in yeah, because they were lovely,
You're generous.
Yeah, very, very, very.
Who believe you say our day drama for no teachers nadia.
What's it? Teachers, my point teachers are there said the intra.
Say I'm quine, what your banner son, what your banner DNA
school fees.
School fees they school dear.
Now there be
showing appreciation say say Ekow and just someone on the toilet true. Madam for Musun toilet to Mukamakai, toilet true san to be coffee minute. Let him go Gemini sam. You want to meet the toilet true.
This is a pancho.
Oh, say drink ni biscuit.
No, the word the biscuit go and drink.
No, they were doing to me.
I think if you're exceptionally good to them and they realize that, and children are very honest.
Yes.
Jokers, as for Madam Felicia, she's very good. Mommy, I want something to go. I say, well, she's good. The bed dancing I call and make a very nice Kia picanto grandma.
No credit. I can't call count has and papa with fear.
Now when you're so dear, sorry.
Yeah, ma.
Oh,